Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Today and best car fixes. Today we have 2020 Nissan Sentra with collision and the sonar codes, and also we have a code on ICC ADAS, which is radar detection or like side detection, collision, or those sensors that mounted 4 on the corners. They changed one from the dealer. I always recommend that if you are going to get a new computer from the dealers in these days, do not try to give the old one back. Keep the old one back, because you need to have configuration sometime, most of the time. Here we have this, as you see, Sentra 2020. If you see here, those codes are available, collision detection. And also one of the sensor was completely damaged. So what we did is, if you notice here, I have like 3 codes, but before that I have more than that. And one of the sensors that doesn't want to go away was this sensor here. Let me show you this code here. It says sonar CAN communication, and it was passed. Right now it's passed, but before it never ever go away. And one is here, and one is inside the sonar software itself. When you click sonar here and you go to the codes, you're gonna see sensor. It's a corner sensors. This is past, but you're gonna see something like module itself is no good. And when you go to the other module, when you go to the ICC module, you're gonna say the computer is not able to communicate with the solar sensor. I don't know why, but let me show you something here, where it is and what is those sensors are. Here in this place here, we have this sensor, one here, right rear sensor, and like radar sensor or something, and one is here also, right left. Those are to like lane monitoring or all these sensors. And also we have another one here. This is for the sonars. When they put this one here, they put a new one. I don't know, maybe need a programming or anything, but this one is working. But when we put this one here, we have a communication line. Either need to be okay. So we have those sensors. We have 4 of them, and if you replace it, please keep the old one till you configure it, because you can take the configuration from it and write it back. We have one there, and we have one here. You see here, it say BL, and that BR, and then we have front also. It could be back left, back right, and then it could be front right, front back. Here, in this place here, this may be for the remote door lock and unlock and proximity, but you have one here, and also you have one here, I believe, radio frequency, and you have some inside. I don't know how many. This is for the backup sensors. I believe also when you put it in, you have to configure it, because I put it in and it said no communication, but when I take it out, I have that code gone. That code was here. You see, it was being detected by it was being detected by where is that sensor? Let me go back. And those are the code for the rear sensors. Okay. It was being detected by this. You see this here? And ICC ADASA2. And this functionality, I believe, it have to do with, let me go to the data. It have all the functionality of lane departures and side detection. Let me see if I can go see the data monitor, what it say. You see, like, see if you want to CG information, you know, like, I don't want to touch anything here, but we have the idea. So we're gonna put all this sensor now and see if we can clear those code. I can clear this code, which is for the solar sensor, I mean for the communication line. I'm gonna clear it now. It's gonna only be backup sensors, and I don't know if this one is gonna be here or is it gonna disappear. You know, the collision signal there. Okay, I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna test it again. I'm gonna have only one page and 4 sensors: right rear, right rear, right left, right left. This is right rear, also right rear, right left, right left. We have a couple of sensors. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Even the right left. Okay, those are the sensor on the bumper. We're gonna connect them down and see if those gonna disappear. Okay, let's put the bumper. Just put it in. We connect this and we put 2 screws there so that and then we do the test. I'm gonna plug this. One of them have to be glued. This one is there in the car, but you can put it glue later on. Makes sense, right? One of them have to be glued. This one, hold on. Oh, where is gone? I'm missing one. Yeah, I see it. Sorry. This one have to be glued here. Hold on, let me see if I can put it good. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Let me see where is the wire. This is the place. Now put them at least one screw here too. Adjust this. Mine here is not adjusted. Put one screw so you're not gonna jump, or you're gonna adjust it by here. Thank you. Okay, now I'm gonna try to see if everything is gonna work. They all change to orange. Look at here. They all change to orange and they become passed. So now if I erase it, execute. Let's see if this is gonna disappear too or not. Maybe you have to adjust it. There's no code at all. Everything is clear. Okay. Take this out. Okay. Do you see anything? Everything gone. I have one warning. Let me see what does that mean. Let me close the door. Good. Anything? Close the trunk. The trunk is closed. Do you have anything else? Blind spot. Those are blind spot computers. Sorry. You back it up. Parking's, you see? Yeah. Everything is good.
I saw that same thing with
Yeah?
George.
Yeah? Yeah? George.
George, nobody must have known.
Yeah?
The same problem has been so problem.
Oh, yes, yes. But that one is GMC.
No, I know, no.
Yeah, okay, but this one,
module.
yeah, it's true. On the corner, but this Nissan has it too. You're right. I agree with you. Okay, can you go back? Can you go behind the car? See now? It's beautiful. Okay, nice. Go next to it. Go next to the sensors. Yes, I see it. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Good. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic. This is Muhammad Idris. See you in another video. Yeah, 2020 Sentra. Thank you very much, and thank you for watching, and see you in another video.